Hey, good morning, good evening. This is Niladri once again, and this time we'll talk about our templates. That is a maturity assessment for a business. As you can see, this will be your dashboard, and this is again not a learning session. This is an kind of a user manual in form of video. If you are using our template for accessing your business maturity, you can refer this how to operate that. We'll quickly talk about what are these different areas of assessment is. We will be assessing in total 8 different measure. We'll look into the product quality, predictive quality, consistent delivery, collaborative work, inter-team collaborations, empowerment of people, inspect and adapt, and agile tooling and SDLC. You will able to see kind of a speedometer chart of where exactly they are in terms of percentage and overall as a whole business how they are doing. You'll also able to see a radar chart so that it can give you a quick visibility how the team is doing on different areas and where are the improvement areas. A quick trend of day by day whenever you have done your assessment, you have a 5 different dates that you are doing. Maybe you are doing it in every quarter or every month. Based on your need, it will show you the trend. We'll quickly show you where exactly you will be able to capture all those data. As you can see in this definition tab, over here you first need to define what are the different dates that you already have identified, what are the measures we have, a quick guidelines, and our video tutorial links will also be here. If you have any customizations need or if you want to talk about this, you can email us at support@agiledigest.com or WhatsApp us on this particular number. All those different major factors that we have, those are different tabs, and you can see each tab is also showing some areas. Over here we have couple of pointers and you can actually give some values. Over here you can see 0 equal to never, rarely equal to 2, occasionally equal to 3, and so 3 equal to often, 2 equal to occasionally, 1 equal to rarely, and in that way we have a scale from 0 to 5, and you can select any particular scale. Each cell shows a quick graph based on that value. So if you select 5, it will be showing you full. If you select 1, it will be showing something like this. And if you select 0, it will not be showing you anything. That means you are not doing it. And based on whatever you are selecting, that for that particular measure, as of now, we are working on product quality. It will show you the latest score. Over here, we have the latest score as this one. It will automatically detect that wherever it says gets the value. So if I select 3 over here, you can see the latest score change from the previous one to this one because it's detected this is my last score. If you want to add some comment, you can add it over here. Or if you think, okay, no, we will remove it. So instead of marking it as 0, I'll just hit delete. It will take the last dates that is your score, and each date the red bars that you are showing overall what's the score of that in a quick red bar over here, and the last scores what is the percentage you have. This is you will able to see the trend from date to date and the current score, what is the distributions of all those. If you hover over, you'll able to see this bar is for which one, and the train will also show you on all those different areas. If you just click on this, it will select that particular row. If you select any of the graph, which graph it is for, and you will able to identify where we are talking about, which rows you are talking about, and how that is growing. So for example, this one, this particular row earlier, let me just select this. I think that one is already selected. If I select this, it's actually at good positions, some at 5 positions earlier over here. Now it comes down to 3. So this is an transparency that you should look into why that is came down, and what you should do to maintain that back what it was earlier. And you have all those different tabs for capturing all those informations. Each tab is showing you the details of that particular area. Over here this is collaborative work, then we have inter-team collaborations, and it shows this graph as well over here. And finally you will be able to see the business dashboard. This is your current score based on the last assessment you have done, and that's what all about it is. So I believe this one will help you understand how to fill the data. If you have any queries, drop us a mail, or if you have any questions, you can WhatsApp as well on the same number as well. Till that time, have a wonderful day. Bye bye.